Today we will be making Elmo cupcakes. What we're using is we have a muffin pan with red the cupcake cases. They're quite tall, so we probably get maybe about 9 or 10. But if you have a little bit shorter, you get much more cupcakes from it. So we're using a box of vanilla cupcake. This is white cake mix, cupcake mix. That's why we're using whites of an egg. So what we need is 120 mils of water and 45 mils of vegetable oil. Then we add 2 egg whites because we want our cake mix to be white because we want to color it. So we mix it all together. And then we can add our red coloring. Once we mix our cupcake mix, we add red gel food coloring to create a color look like an Elmo. And what we do now, we start filling up our cupcake cases. So I got the 9 cupcake from this cake mix because I using quite tall cupcake cases. But if you use a little bit shorter, you will probably get easily 12 cupcakes. So what we have now, we have preheat our oven to 100 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And we bake for about 15-20 minutes until our square come out clean. Then we can cool down our cupcakes and we start decorating. Now our cupcake is ready. They baked and cooled. So what we have is I took the vanilla frosting, which is I purchased from supermarket. It's white. We add red gel food coloring to create a red color for our Elmos. And what we do is we apply, just put everywhere around. Just went tiny bit on my finger. And now, once we apply our red frosting, then we dip into red sanding sugar, just like this everywhere. As you can see, it's nice, very pretty. Then what we do, we have Oreo biscuits, which is comes like this, split it with a serrated knife on half. Then get rid of this cream, and then with serrated knife cut it on 2 parts. That will be for our mouth. And then we select all white marshmallows. This is for our eyes. And what we do is we took just normal home brand jelly beans, which is we select only orange for the our nose. So we place mouth, and we place 2 eyes, and we place our nose right in the middle. Then we take a black writing icing and we squeeze it for the eyes. And this is our Elmo cupcake. I hope you do really like it. Thank you very much for your time with me. And I hope you do like it and write your ideas. Subscribe, Love to hear from you. Until next time, goodbye.